Hi there and welcome to this practice. My name is Rodi and I will guide you through bhramari pranayama. That is a mind-soothing, calming and grounding breathing exercise that you might have heard of as B sound pranayama, B sound breathing exercise. Okay, I will just explain it to you really quickly. It's quite easy and then we'll go ahead and practice for a few moments. Okay. We will need to close our ears. Okay, usually I use the index fingers. I will just close my ears. So we want to isolate ourselves from the outside. Okay, and then we will, with our exhalation, okay, so with our out breath, we will do an sound up here in our head. Okay, it's gonna sound something like this, like so you kind of like feel the vibrations inside of your mouth, okay, and all the way up to your head. Okay, it's once you close the ears and you do the sound, you'll really feel like the B sound in your head. So it's going to be really like that, really nice and calming. B's are really calming sound in your in your head. Okay, so I'll just demonstrate for a moment, for a second, and then we'll go ahead and practice together. Okay, so the first step is, of course, a nice sitting position. A nice sitting position, you can sit crossed legs with your spine nice and straight. You can even sit on a chair or on a couch. This pranayama exercise, this practice, it's recommended to be done seated, okay? So not laying down. Okay, so sit, and you can even sit against a wall just to support your spine and be nice and straight, okay, without struggling too much and without feeling any pain. You want to be comfortable, okay? So go and sit on a couch, sit on a chair, whatever makes you feel really comfortable, okay? So that you can focus on the practice. The second step is we close the ears. So I use my index fingers. I will just close the ears. Usually we close the eyes as well, and we're gonna close the eyes as well. But for now, we close the ears, we inhale deeply, and with the exhale, so with the out breath, we do the sound up in our heads, like really to feel that vibrations strong. Okay, so just deeply inhale, and then exhale with the sound. We exhale as long as it feels comfortable, and then we inhale again and go again. Okay, so it's an inhale and sound as long as it feels comfortable, exhaling, and then we inhale again and go again. Okay, please do not strain too much, do not try to do the sound too like long because you hear it long from this video, or like just feeling your lungs and your body struggling to do it. Just do it as long as it feels comfortable, then release and inhale again. Okay, release and inhale again. Okay, let's practice. Let's see how this goes. So, close the ears, comfortable sitting position. Close the ears, close the eyes. Inhale deeply. And exhale with the sound. after your next exhale, slowly release the arms down. Keep the eyes closed. Keep the attention inside. Relax the shoulders. Observe the new sensations that just woke up. Is there anything you feel different? Right. Slowly open the eyes. We'll do it one more time, and this time, and we'll do it like 3 times. So we'll inhale and exhale for 3 times. This time, I really invite you to keep the attention to those vibrations that you've now done it once, and you know what kind of like feels like, you know. So just keep the awareness on those vibrations that you feel rising in your head, especially of course on this area of your body, but also if these vibrations just start traveling all around the body. Okay, so we'll do it 3 times. Keep the awareness on those vibrations that we generate with the sound, with the B sound. Okay, nice. Cover the ears, close the eyes, inhale, exhale. After the 3rd exhale, just release the arms down. And again, keep the awareness inside. Observe those vibrations, they are still there. How does your body feel? How does your mind feel? Very nice. Slowly open the eyes. You can do this practice anytime you feel like your head is running too fast, your mind is running too fast, your thoughts are running too fast, and you need to really slow down and ground yourself. Okay, you can do 3 rounds. You can even do just 3 rounds. You can do 5 rounds. You can do 10 rounds. You can do 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes of this practice. I advise you to start slow. So like 3 rounds, 5 rounds, and then increase daily. Okay. Every time you do it, take your time after. Okay, so don't just finish and then open the eyes and rush yourself and doing other stuff. Just stay, just for a few minutes, even lay down in Shavasana and stay there with your body and the new sensations that woke up in your body. Okay, I hope this is clear enough and you enjoyed this practice, and see you in the next video. Namaste. Thank you so much for being with me today. Bye bye.